Carpet cleaning Honduran style.
Look at how those tire size changes.
Well, my friends, so today we're going to be doing something related to my new truck that I just got. I've always wanted a 4x4, so while I wait, my friend is wrenching on it here and there. We're fixing up some stuff, making it nicer. I figured I'll get around and make some cool badges for it. My projector right there. And we're gonna be stenciling these guys. Pretty simple. I'll separate them a little bit and trace them, and then we'll start cutting it out. Alright, not gonna cut any further now. I don't want the tail to snap, so we'll leave that connected. We'll do all the letters and all the other ones. Full morning here in Florida, my favorite cup. And let's get this jigsawing party going. I'm cutting this out, and then there's a van just dropped off something. And it's on my new steering wheel. Probably not the brightest idea to open this one-handed, huh? Let's try it. Well, I'll just go ahead and open it. There it is. Mine is all chewed up by the handle, so this one is in better shape. That's just light. I thought there was a rash or something here. But yeah, I'm gonna install it in a couple of days. So I got some backing laid up over here, over there, the one behind the Shogun right there. So I'm gonna just trace it real quick, cut it out, and then we'll get to sanding and painting. Animals over here, and we got birds over here. Look at them. It's just a nice Florida winter day. And about to send these guys, and by the end of the last piece I was sending. Oop. Yeah, I don't think this is normal, huh? This is how I do it. It's all screwed from the back. I got some mounting hardware. I ran out, so this one doesn't have it yet. And then I put little foot pads out of this thing. Where is this? I just cut up these into quarters and I put it on each end. These are like little furniture feet, and so when it hangs, it's a little bit more even. But let's take them apart and go to paint. So now we're just gonna spray all this from the back, spray it black, and then we're actually gonna brush it all on. So to not to not have the paint pull on the face. And what we're going to do, we're going to get it all from the back. The spray paint comes out uneven. It's a little more even on the cabinet plywood, not so much on this one. So we're going to roll it out, make it nice and smooth and even. Oh, they're all finished. Took the picture so this way the wheel is in the picture for scale. But came out really nice. Actually, I think this might be my favorite. I really like that one. But they all came out pretty good. If only, you know, kind of monotone and all black. So I might need to do the rally art to spruce up the collection a little bit. And I didn't want to take a picture here because this rotor is all rusty and we haven't gotten around to it. I'm actually about to drive it off and drop it off at my friend Marcio's place because we're going to be fixing a few things. But this is the truck in question, so I need to get some tints, paint all this, or bed liner all this black. I've already switched a bunch of stuff, make sure I don't step on anything. I switched to all new dash. We got to get a touch screen in here. Got a new steering wheel to install, I already have it. We got all new carpet because this one underneath it's kind of janky. So I got a different one from a junkyard. My first trip there wasn't too bad. There are Chronicles. It's like Mad Max over here. Right, let's dig in. There ain't much left here. Bye-bye, Montero. Got all new door panels, that's leather, since mine has actual cloth in it. Got LED, well, this is not only one non-LED. All the other stuff is like LED over here. Got my bike in the back, got the back seats ripped out. So little by little I'll fix it up. I got some quotes for tires. We gotta figure out it might be higher in the back now a whole lot. Actually, it doesn't look that bad in video, but maybe because no more seats in the back or anything like that, but we'll figure out if we want to do the lift. I'm getting a new bumper in a couple of days. Actually, tomorrow, Friday, I'm gonna go get it. With these missing, I learned how to weld already, because I want to eventually switch to all tube construction, build the rack sliders, and actually want to take all this plastic eventually off. And because behind this there's a bunch of stuff, a bunch of holes. Plus mine is like, I do have a new panel for this side, but I couldn't find the other one. And so I want to take it all off to the Puerto Rico spec, which didn't come with any plastics, but I have to fill in the holes, weld it all in, sand it, prime it, and then run the over fenders, but that'll take a little while. So for now I'm just gonna bedline all the gold into black, and so I'll actually match the texture somewhat of these guys, because you can see like it's not 100% smooth when you roll it with that chalkboard paint, so it'll be a little more aggressive pattern like that on the truck itself. And of course get some nice proper offset wheels, because see how sad and inset those are, so we gotta push them out a little bit. And I got rails coming in for the roof. I gotta buy a kayak rack and a kayak, but it's a nice little fun project truck so far. But here we are again. Thank you guys for watching. Great success, and hopefully in the next video we'll have the truck updated with some fresh stuff on it.